Yo, February 19th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 226 of
Mhm.
consistently helping people build consistency. Yo, this is just gonna be a really short video, right? So here's the thing. If you wanted to be consistent at doing some positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything, the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to consistently remind ourselves on a day-to-day basis why we do that thing in the first place, okay? So here's the thing. For example, you wanted to be consistent at exercising, right? Every single time you want to do your exercise, before your exercise, starts, you're going to be reading a paper. And on that paper, there are the reasons, right? The reasons why you do that you do the exercise in the first place. All your reasons are being written, right? Are written on the paper, okay? So for example, oh yeah, I want to exercise because I want to be healthy. Oh yeah, I want to exercise because, I want to look good. But we can also add a more sentimental, a more personal reasons, right? So this is, like the only person that's going to read this paper is you to yourself. Okay. So you just want to, be completely honest to yourself, okay? And it's not going to be cringe, okay? It's not you're not going to like there's not there isn't going to be anybody who is going to read this paper other than you. Okay, so please keep it a secret to yourself. Okay, this paper is just a really personal thing for you, a really secret thing for you, and you write down all the really deep reasons why you do that thing, why you do exercise in the first place. For example, you can just write down, maybe like I'm just gonna be giving an example, right? Oh yeah, I want to exercise consistently because I want to be healthy, because I want to, be there for my family, and on my old days I want to be there for my family, and I want to be that one happy person, that one healthy, happy, loving person. And by exercising, the probability of me being a healthy person on my old age is going to be higher. Okay, I want to be healthy for my family, I want to be healthy for my loved ones, okay? And also, like, I only, I want to enjoy my life to the fullest, right? I want to enjoy my life to the fullest. And I want to be able to still explore the world when I'm, 60 years old, 70 years old, and so on. So you just give it out all the deep personal reasons. And you write that down on the paper and you read out that thing every single time you wanted to do your exercise. So the thing that's going to be happening here is that every single time you wanted to do your exercise, the probability of actually do the exercise is going to be higher. Why? Because, when you read the reasons, you're going to be feeling like you're going to be reminded of your reasons. And when you remind yourself of your reasons, when you remember those reasons, emotions are going to evoke, right? And when, your emotions got a folk, you are now really, really motivated, right? The probability of you actually doing the thing is gonna be way higher. And also you're gonna be having a better and more quality of your exercise on that particular day. But here's the thing, okay? People say that don't rely on motivation, don't rely on the feeling of motivation, blah 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 blah. Well, I think, you know they're right. They're not wrong too. And here's the thing: even if you implement this method, right, there are still gonna be days when you read out the paper, and then you're still gonna be feeling like, oh yeah, I'm not feeling motivated even though I have read the paper. So here's the thing: that's still gonna be okay, because even on the days when you have read the paper and you still don't feel like you're feeling motivated, the probability of you actually still feel, the probability of you actually still doing the thing is gonna be higher, because you're gonna be, even if you don't feel like you're feeling motivated that day, you're gonna be having some sense of obligation to actually do it. Oh yeah, this is my responsibility. Oh yeah, I want to, this is my priority. I need to do this, even if I don't get, even if I'm not feeling motivated today. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, or at least make the probability of you actually still sticking to the thing, you know, higher. Okay, making the probability higher, right? If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and so that this video is gonna reach more and more people. Thank you. You can also join our Discord. Oh yeah, and also for the authenticity post for today's video, Memezar posted a happy birthday post last 24 hours. Thank you.